Have you ever sat down on your patio chair, only to jump up because of hidden dirt, mold, or that sticky grime you can't explain? What if I told you that the very place you relax on weekends might be damaging your health and your reputation without you even knowing it? Well, let's uncover the truth and fix it. Before we begin, if you're someone who loves keeping your space clean and healthy, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple, powerful home hacks like this. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. We all love our balconies, gardens, terraces, that peaceful corner of the house where we sip tea, read a book, or host friends. But there's one thing most of us forget: the very furniture that supports those moments. Outdoor furniture. Think about it. When was the last time you properly cleaned your garden chairs or that patio table? Not wiped, cleaned. Deeply. It's understandable. Life gets busy, and since outdoor furniture doesn't scream for attention like a dirty kitchen or bathroom, we tend to overlook it. But here's the truth. Outdoor furniture is silently suffering. Exposed to dust, bird droppings, rain, UV rays, and even insect residue. It absorbs it all. And slowly, without any visible alarm, it becomes the dirtiest corner of your home. Now you may think, okay, it's outside. It's supposed to be a little dirty. But what if I told you that the grime building up on that table could trigger skin allergies, make your guests uncomfortable, or worse, cause long-term material damage that could cost you a lot more in the future? Let's dive into the science and the solution. What's really lurking on your outdoor furniture? Let me paint a picture. Imagine a simple plastic chair. Looks innocent, right? But after a few weeks outside, it accumulates layers of pollutants. Dust from vehicles, spores from plants, sticky sap from nearby trees, even animal waste particles. Under sunlight and moisture, these create the perfect breeding ground for mold, mildew, and bacteria. And the scariest part, most of this is invisible. You can't always see the germs, but they're there, affecting your skin when you touch it, transferring your clothes, and even spreading indoors when you unknowingly bring them back in. This isn't to scare you, it's to open your eyes, because the solution is shockingly simple. Step 1. The game-changing deep clean formula. Okay, let's get into action. You don't need fancy chemicals. In fact, the best solution comes from your kitchen. Mix the following: 2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon dish soap, and ½ cup white vinegar. This humble mix has antibacterial properties, cuts grease, and lifts years of grime. Dip a microfiber cloth or a sponge into the solution and start gently scrubbing. Don't pour directly. Always wipe in circular motions. For stubborn stains, a sprinkle of baking soda over the vinegar and soap mix will bubble up and act like magic. Step 2. Don't forget the crevices. That's where the real dirt lives. Here's a little secret. The dirtiest part of any chair or table isn't the seat, it's the joints. The tiny corners, the underbelly. That's where spiders build webs, mold hides, and dust cakes up. Use an old toothbrush, or even a paintbrush. Gently clean these areas with the same solution. This step is what separates average cleaning from professional level maintenance. Because what's the point of a clean surface if the corners are crawling with hidden rot? Step 3. Sunlight, nature's disinfectant. Now once you're done cleaning, don't just put it back. Place the furniture under direct sunlight for at least 2 to 3 hours. Why? Because UV rays are natural disinfectants. They help kill bacteria and dry out moisture, which prevents future mold growth. And let's be honest, there's something satisfying about seeing freshly cleaned furniture drying under the sun, isn't there? A bonus step for you: the secret to long-lasting clean. We often neglect what doesn't scream for attention, but that's where problems begin. Outdoor furniture is more than just wood, plastic, or metal. It's where memories are made. Morning coffees, birthday dinners, sunset chats. It deserves a little love. So take 30 minutes today. Use this simple process and transform that forgotten corner into a space that truly shines. Because a clean chair is not just clean, it's welcoming. It's safe. It's yours. And hey, if you found value in this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist.